intro.
Hello and welcome back, guys. On this video I'll be showing you the installation of Braking Pro version 2.1 on my Ktm Rc200. First of all, the thing is that, guys, I've ordered the Braking Pro from do the DIY.com, and the thing is that I'm not happy with the guy from the DIY.com. The thing is that I have ordered my items, I think last month. Yeah, maybe the last week of the last month or something like that. And the refund was just initiated on the 3rd of April. I was calling him and he rejected my calls and saying that please contact me on WhatsApp or mail at support.dodiy.com. I was asking him on WhatsApp why he has cancelled my order, and he says that you have not given proper address, so I cannot send you like that, something like that. And I have replied that on my area we have not we don't have any home delivery services. We just go and pick up at the courier services, so just send my order. And after saying that, he replied me again that the east side or the northeast side, something like that, courier services are not good. Goods used to get lost, so I don't want to send the goods, something like that. So if that is a problem also, he should have at least told me that he is initiating refund. So I contact my brother at Ahmedabad. So I asked him that, can you do me something with this and that, and he said yes, give my address. So I give her I made a new order with his address and send the item to my brother address. And the thing is that, guys, this the do the DIY guy is not good in customer services, because after calling time to time also, he don't pick up my calls. He say that I'm at the office, I cannot pick up the calls. So at night also, when I called him, he never pick up the calls, saying that I was begging him to pick up my calls for at least a minute, saying that I'm working at a company, and this is just my side business. So if this is his side business, then if he cannot care for his customers, so what is the use of that? And the goods was sent to my brother through the DTDC courier, and on the goods was sent on 3rd of April and reached Ahmedabad on 6th April. And I was waiting for the time when they will deliver to my brother address. After waiting for a long time also, they have not delivered the goods. So I was calling the DTDC Ahmedabad, I don't know the branch name, I forgot it. So they were saying that, sir, we should arrange your delivery tomorrow, and you will get your goods soon, your parcel soon. So I was staying happy, but on the next day also, the goods was not delivered. So I was calling them back again, they answered me the same. So until on the 4th or the 5th day, I have called them again, sir, we are facing some problems, so if you want, you just can pick up the goods, the parcel. So I asked my brother, can you go for me to the Akshat complex DTDC Korea, Akshat Complex DTDC. So in the evening he went to the DTDC Korea and asking them, why have you delayed this goods for such a days, and you have not delivered to my address? And they were answering, sir, this is your duty to come and ask for your goods. So my brother was answering them, why should I ask? This is your duty to get this is your duty to do home delivery. So they were saying, so the guy on the DTDC is saying that, you are not even an Indian, show me your ID. And my brother take out all his ID, PAN card. So, and the guy stopped him, and the guy afraid and stopped him from that. So I'm facing something like that. So guys, that's not the main problem now. I got my item and watch till the end. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show